Today we're going to show you how to replace your AC condenser on a Subaru Crosstrek. This is located in the front of the vehicle, behind the bumper. Let's get started. Before removing any parts of your AC system, you want to take your vehicle down to your local service station. Have them properly remove the refrigerant from the vehicle. Then you can get started. We'll remove this 10mm. And we can remove the two clips. I'm using a clip tool, but you can use a flathead screwdriver. We can release the inlet from the grommet. Next, we can remove our radiator brackets with a 12mm. We'll set these off to the side in a safe place. We can remove the hood prop bracket with a 10mm. Now we can come along the inside of the grille here, removing our clips. I'll be using a clip tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you need. If any of your clips break, make sure you replace them. Now we'll remove the clips along the top of the grille. We can set that off to the side. Moving down to the lower grille, we're going to take out the 10mm holding our lower AC line fitting. If you can't reach it with your hand, you can use a magnet to remove the hardware. Now you want to wiggle the fitting from up top. Be cautious not to break anything. Now we can go ahead and remove the two 10mm holding the condenser to the chassis. And we can do the same on the other side. With our lower fitting and our two mounting bolts removed, we can lean the AC condenser back. We want to be very cautious during this part not to damage any of the fins on the radiator. Pop the grommets out on the bottom. We can start moving it up. Work the condenser up one side at a time. Until you have access to your upper fitting. We'll remove this using a 10mm. To remove our upper line, we're going to wiggle it back and forth, pulling off. You want to be very careful not to damage the line. You want to go around and check all your O-rings. If they're hard or flattened, replace them. Now we can continue moving the condenser upwards. If you push in on the radiator, And there it is. Before we can install our new condenser, we need to do a few things to prepare it. We're going to install the foam that comes with it. Pull the backing off the adhesive. This one's going to go on the bottom. Sometimes this foam will be missing off the old one, but if the foam is there, you can copy the layout of the foam. Work your way around the AC condenser, installing all the foam. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to block the air and make the system a little more efficient. There's 2 plugs that come in each of the fittings. Make sure you remove those. When installing your AC condenser, you want to be very careful not to damage the fins of the condenser or the radiator. We'll get this down to the same point that we had it when we removed the line, and we can reinstall this. To reinstall your line it up, and you want to give it the same wiggle to try to not cause any damage to the O-rings. Now we can install our 10 millimeter. You want to be very cautious when tightening this. You don't want to over-tighten your fittings. There are 2 grommets down at the bottom behind the grill. As you work the condenser in, line the grommets up. You want to take your time getting the condenser in place. You don't want to damage your radiator or the condenser, as you'll be doing this all over again. We can reinstall our mounting hardware. And we can do the same on the other side. The lower fitting is a little bit harder to wiggle back and forth. It's good to get these fittings set all the way down before you install the hardware. Just like with the other fitting, you want to tighten this down with hand tools. You don't want to use any power tools with these. Tighten that down to the best of your ability. Be cautious not to break anything. We'll install our radiator shroud. When reinstalling your clips, have the center push pin halfway up. Install the clip and push down on the center pin. We can reinstall our radiator brackets. And we'll snug that up. We can reinstall our hood prop bracket. We can snug that up. We can install our other radiator bracket. And we'll snug that up. And we can install our intake inlet. Install that back into its grommet. We can install our clips. We can reinstall our 10mm. And we'll snug that up. Once you've installed your AC system parts, let's take this back down to the service station and have them properly refill the system.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.